Hey, and welcome back to the second video in this 7-part series on how to make money online. In part 1, we talked about selling digital products, but today, we're diving into a completely different model. One that doesn't require you to create any products at all. It's called affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start earning money online. You don't need to own a business, hold inventory, or deal with customer support. You simply recommend other people's products, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Sound simple? It is, if you know how to do it right. So in this video, I'll show you what affiliate marketing is, how it works, where to find products, and how to actually start earning. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service created by someone else. You get a unique link, called an affiliate link, and whenever someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you get paid. The company handles everything: the product, the delivery, the customer support. All you do is send traffic to their site. You might earn 5%, 30%, or even 70% depending on the product. Some affiliate programs even pay recurring monthly commissions. Let's look at an example. Let's say you promote a course that costs $100. If the company pays 40% commission, you earn $40 for every sale. If just 10 people buy, that's $400. And you didn't create anything, you just shared a link. So where do you find affiliate programs? Scene 2, listing beginner-friendly platforms. There are thousands of companies that offer them, but here are some beginner-friendly platforms to start with. Amazon Associates is one of the biggest and easiest programs. You can earn a small percentage when people buy anything through your link. It's great for recommending books, gear, or everyday items. ClickBank is a huge marketplace of digital products in all niches, like health, fitness, business, and relationships. Many of the commissions are very high, 50% or more. Digistore24 is similar to ClickBank but more popular in Europe and offers both digital and physical products. PartnerStack focuses on software and tools. If you recommend apps or tech tools, this is a good place to find offers. ShareASale and Impact are networks that connect you with hundreds of brands that offer affiliate programs. And don't forget, many companies run their own affiliate programs. Scroll to the bottom of their website and look for affiliate or partners. If you use a product you love, check if you can get paid for recommending it. But what kind of content works best for affiliate marketing? So there are 3 main ways to do it. First, educational content. You teach something genuinely useful and, naturally recommend tools or products that help along the way. For example, you might make a guide like how to start a blog, and then you recommend hosting services that you actually trust. Second, review content. People really love reviews before they buy anything. You can create a YouTube video, a blog post, or even a TikTok saying, "Here's my honest review of this course or app." And then, third, comparison content, where you compare 2 products and explain which one is better. Like Canva versus Photoshop. Which one should you use? The key to successful affiliate marketing is, honestly, building trust. Don't just throw links at people. Show how the product actually helps. Maybe you've used it yourself. Maybe you show how it works. The more real you are, the more people will click. And, yeah, buy. So how do you actually start? Well, here's a simple 4-step beginner plan. Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to promote everything, just focus on a category, like fitness, finance, productivity, parenting, or tech. Choose something you care about or maybe know a little about. Honestly, it's so much easier to make content when you actually like the topic. Step 2. Find affiliate programs in that niche. Use the platforms I mentioned: ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon, and so on. Look for products with good reviews, strong commissions, and, a good landing page. Step 3. Create content around those products. This is where most people get stuck. But don't worry, you really don't need fancy equipment. You can make short videos showing how to use the product, write blog posts, or post tips on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. For example, if you're promoting a meal planner app, you could make a reel showing 3 ways you save time planning meals. Step 4 is to share your affiliate link. This is important. Make sure to follow the platform's rules. On Instagram or TikTok, put the link in your bio and say, "Link in bio." On YouTube, put it in the description. On Pinterest, you can link directly or through a landing page. Also, always disclose that it's an affiliate link. Just right. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It builds trust and, honestly, it's legally required in most places. Now let's talk about what everyone wants to know. How much can you actually make? Scene 2, factors affecting income. So, your affiliate income, well, it really depends on what you promote, how much content you create, and just how much trust you're able to build with your audience. Here's kind of a rough idea. If you make one sale a day of a $30 product at 50% commission, that's $15 a day, or about $450 a month. Now if you promote a $200 online course and make 5 sales a month at 40% commission, that's $400. And if you build a YouTube channel that gets consistent traffic, your affiliate links can bring in $500, $1,000, or even more per month. And that's mostly passive. Some people go on to make full-time incomes, even 6 figures, just from affiliate marketing, but that takes time, consistency, and building a real audience. Here are a few bonus tips to grow faster. Use Pinterest, it's underrated. People go there to find solutions and ideas, and many are ready to buy. Make pins that link to your product reviews or affiliate links. Focus on one product at a time. Don't promote 10 things at once. Stick to one, test what works, then add more later. Use SEO-friendly titles. For example, instead of saying best app ever, say best budgeting app for beginners in 2024. People actually search for that. Build an email list, offer a free guide or tip sheet and collect emails. Then you can recommend affiliate products via email, which converts very well. Let's wrap this up. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn online. You don't need a product, you don't need a big audience. You just need to start. Choose a niche, find a good product, make simple content that helps people, and share your link. Start small, learn as you go, and you'll be surprised how fast it can grow. In part 3 of this series, we'll talk about print on demand, another low-risk way to make money online by selling custom products without ever touching inventory. If this video helped you, drop a like, comment below what niche you're thinking about, and subscribe so you don't miss the next parts of the series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.